Hello students, again welcome to the maths class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, linear inequations. In this chapter there are two exercises, 4th A and 4th B. In exercise 4th A you are going to study inequations, linear inequations in one variable, solving a linear inequation algebraically and replacement set and solution set. So one by one I am going to explain each point. You try to understand carefully. So first point is inequations. So to understand this point, you see here, suppose there are two quantities x and y and they are related in such a way x is greater than y, x is less than y, x is greater than equal to y and x is less than equal to y. Just before I told you x and y are two quantities and they are related with the sign greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. These four forms are called inequations. These four forms are called inequations. For example, 2 is less than 3. Exactly 2 is less than 3, you know very well. So 2 is less than 3, it is an inequation. And these four signs, greater than, less than, greater than equal to and less than equal to, these four signs are called the sign of inequality. Now second point is coming, linear inequations in one variable. So first of all, what are the linear inequations in one variable? You see here again, suppose that you are having ax plus b is greater than c, ax plus b is less than c, ax plus b is greater than equal to c, ax plus b is less than equal to c. Each of the four forms is called linear inequation in one variable. Why it is linear inequation in one variable? It is linear because highest power of variable is 1. In case of equations you have studied, if highest power of variable in an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. In the same way, if highest power of variable is 1 in an inequation, then it is called linear inequation in one variable. So highest power of variable is 1 and only one variable is going on, that's why we are saying linear equation in one variable. Second thing, a, b, c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0. A cannot be 0. For example, 2x plus 3 is less than 5. So in this linear inequation in one variable, you can see in place of a, b, c, 2, 3, 5s are written. These are the real numbers and variable x is going on. In place of x, y variable can be used, z variable can be used. So that will be the linear inequation in one variable. Next point is coming, solving a linear inequation algebraically. First of all, what is the meaning of solving a linear inequation and how can we solve it? Both the points I will explain you. You see here, suppose that 2x plus 3 is greater than 5 is given. So first of all, what is the meaning of solving a linear inequation? Solving means to find the value of given variable, to find the value or values of given variable by solving the equation, linear inequation. So this is the meaning of solving the linear inequation. Now how to find the values of variable or how can we solve? So to solve the linear inequation, it is same as in case of equation, only two new rules you have to follow here. First, old rules I will tell you. This 3 is positive here and from one side to other side if you take this term, then it will become negative, means 2x is greater than 5 minus 3. So positive term will become negative term to the other side, and negative term will become positive term to the other side, and the number which is in multiplication with the variable, that will go in division. So 2x is greater than 2x. Now 2 is in multiplication, I am taking this left hand side 2 to the RHS, so it will go in division, 2 by 2, and x is greater than 1, it will come. So the number which is in multiplication with the variable, that will go in division to the other side, and the number which is in division to the other side, it will go in multiplication. So like this you can solve, but some new rules I will tell you. Suppose that minus 2x is greater than minus 4 or plus 4, anyone you can take. Here by minus 2 you are going to divide both the sides in an inequation, in this inequation. So if you divide by a negative number, or if you multiply by a negative number to both the sides of the given inequation, then inequality sign will change. So x is less than 4 upon minus 2, not greater than. Now you can see, you can pay attention, this greater than will become less than. If it is less than, then it will become greater than. So x is less than minus 2, this will be the answer. So again I am repeating this point. If you multiply or divide by a negative number to both sides of an inequation, then sign of inequality changes. Means greater than becomes less than becomes greater than equal to becomes less than equal to becomes greater than equal to. So these two rules you have to keep. This is first rule, and one more rule. Second rule is, suppose that there are two numbers, two positive or negative numbers, x is greater than y. X and y both are positive or both are negative. If you are taking both the sides reciprocal, then also inequality sign will change. So 1 upon x is less than 1 upon y. These two new rules you have to keep in the mind while solving the linear inequation in one variable. Now next point is coming, replacement set and solution set. So again you see here, suppose that 2x plus 3 is less than 5 is given, and replacement set is given, means one set is given, x belongs to integers. Set of integers can be denoted by z or capital Z or capital I. Now first of all you solve 2x is less than 5 minus 3, 2, x is less than 1. So now what will be the values of x? Because less than 1, many values are there. In decimal also, 0.9 is also less than 1, 0.8 is also less than 1, 0.7 is also less than 1, 0 is also less than 1, minus 1 is also less than 1. So which values we have to take? Less than 1, infinite values are there. So for this we need one set. This set is given, x belongs to integers. If x belongs to integer, it means that decimal numbers are not the integers, you know well. So we cannot take values of x as decimal numbers. We have to take complete numbers. As x is less than 1, so less than 1 many integers are there. I am making here set of integers, dash dash dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 and so on. So here you can see, so on means 3 dots to the left side, 3 dots to the right side, you can see. So these 3 dots show the continuity in both the direction, means after 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. Here minus 3, after minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 and so on. Many integers are going on both the sides, infinitely many integers. We can say infinite number of integers. So which integers we should take? So first of all we are choosing the integers from this set. We are choosing the values of x from this set. So this set is called replacement set. So the set from which we choose the value of variable is called the replacement set. Now which value will satisfy this inequation? So less than 1, you can see 0 is there, minus 1 is there, minus 2 is there, minus 3 is there, and minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. So you can write dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So you can see here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. These are the values of x, and this set of values of x is called solution set, which satisfy the given inequation. So like this you can solve linear inequation, and you can find the solution set with the help of given replacement set. Next point is coming. Now examples, you see some examples are there. First example, if the replacement set is the set of integers between minus 6 and 8, find the solution set of 6x minus 1 is greater than equal to 9 plus x, and second part is 15 minus 3x is greater than x minus 3. So one by one solution of each part you see. First part, this is given 6x minus 1 is greater than equal to 9 plus x. First of all, you take the terms having the variable on one side and the terms without having the variable, or we can say constant, to the other side. So you can take 6x minus x is greater than equal to 9 plus 1. This plus x will become minus x in LHS, and this minus 1 will become positive term plus 1 in RHS. This plus x minus x and this minus 1 plus 1, it is becoming. Now 6x minus x 5x, 9 plus 1 10. Now 5 is in multiplication, it will go in division. So x is greater than equal to 2. X is greater than equal to 2. Now what is the replacement set? Replacement set is the set of integers which lies of integers from minus 6 to 8. Means you don't, between the values minus 6 to 8 means minus 6 and 8 are not included. Between these values minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these values are coming. From these values you have to choose the values of x. So here it is written, replacement set is the set of integers between minus 6 and 8. So solution set you can make. So greater than 2, 3 is there, and equal to 2 also. You can see this sign. Greater than equal to 2 means 2 will also be included in the solution set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the values, not 8, because the values between minus 6 and 8 you have to take. So this is the solution set. Second part you see, 15 minus 3x is greater than x minus 3. So the terms having x on one side, minus 3x minus x is greater than minus 3 minus 15. So minus 4x is greater than minus 18. Now you are going to divide both the sides by minus 4. So you can see this step, by minus 4 you are dividing. So what will come? You can see by minus 4 inequality sign. It was greater than sign. Now it has become less than sign. So x is less than 4.5. Now you have to take the values which are less than 4.5 in the replacement set. So in the replacement set, less than 4.5, 4 will be there, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These are the values. So this is the solution set. One more alternative method is given. So you understand this method also. It will be helpful to you to solve the questions. Here what they are doing, this is the second part, 15 minus 3x is greater than x minus 3. They are interchanging the place of LHS and RHS. Means RHS they are making LHS, LHS they are making RHS. You see, this was RHS, this has become LHS. This is LHS, this has become RHS. So if you do so, then inequality sign will change. It was greater than, now it has become less than. So what is the benefit by doing so? Actually, by doing so, you can avoid the negative sign. In previous solution, minus x minus 3x was coming. Now if you take minus 3x to LHS, so it will become x plus 3x. And in previous solution, it was coming minus x minus 3x. So and 15 plus 3 it will come. So x plus 3x 4x, and 15 plus 3 18. After simplification, it is coming x is less than 4.5. Answer will be same, and solution side, same solution side will come. One more example is there. You can see this example. Fifth example. Solve x upon 2 minus 5 is less than equal to x upon 3 minus 4, where x is positive odd integer. Positive odd integer means this time full set of integers is not given as replacement set. Only integers, positive integers are given, and out of positive integers odd integers are given. Means I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. This is the replacement set. It means from this set you have to choose the values of x. First you solve given linear inequation. Take the terms having x on one side, x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is less than equal to minus 4 plus 5. After simplification, 3x minus 2x upon 6 is less than equal to 1. X is less than equal to 6. Now values of x which are less than equal to 6 you have to take from the replacement set. So which are less than equal to 6 means less than 6 5 is there, less than 6 3 is there, less than 6 1 is there. So 1 3 5 you can see in the solution set. So like this you can solve. One more example is there. Important example. This is important example. Here you can see solve the following inequation. This inequation is new inequation for you. Here you can see two times inequality sign are used. Actually two inequations are combined here. And how can you separate these two inequations? With the help of middle term you can separate. Middle term with the left term you can take one time, middle term with the right term you can take one time. So middle term and left term, by taking left term and middle term, one inequation you have made here. By taking middle term and right term you have made one inequation here. Now you solve separately, in between and will be written. When you solve taking the terms having y on one side, y is less than 4, and here also y minus 4y, or y you take in RHS and 7 you take in LHS, so it will come y is greater than equal to minus 2. How to combine these two inequations? One is y is less than 4, one is y is greater than equal to 2. So very easy method. You pay attention students. If you understand, if you listen carefully, then you will understand 100%. First of all you write the variable y. Now both the sides you put the sign here and here also. Like this you have to put the sign. This is the method. Here you will put to the right side of y you will put less than sign, and to the left side of y also less than sign you will put. Both the sides, to right side or to left side you have, and left side to you have to put less than sign. Now the number facing this open face of inequality you have to write here. So this is the number you can see. This 4 is facing this open face. Open means this open face. So this 4 is facing open face. You write 4 here, and the number which is facing this corner. So you write to the left. This corner minus 2 is facing this corner. So minus 2 you write here. Now equal to sign. At which number equal to sign is there? At the same number you put. Here equal to sign is there. Here equal to sign is not there. So like this you can combine. You can see here. Now first part is when y belongs to integer, solution set. What will be the solution set? Integers, all the integers are given. Now but you have to take in the solution set integers from minus 2 to less than 4. Why I am saying from minus 2? Because equal to sign is there. So minus 2 will be included. But here in equal to sign is not there. Here it is not there. So here you will not include 4. So from minus 2 to less than 4. So from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the solution set. Now one more part, important part is given. Y belongs to real number. When y belongs to real number means variable belongs to real number. So how to make solution set? In this case, in case of real number, solution set cannot be made in roster form, because between two numbers there are infinite numbers, infinite real numbers. Between 2 and 3 if you talk, then infinite real numbers will be there. 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001, 2.2, 2.02, 2.02, 2.032, like this infinite numbers will be there. Means if you want to reach from 2 to 3, then you will have to move infinite steps, we can say. So in this case you cannot write the solution set in raster form. So in set builder form you write, this is the form. Whatever solution you have found, this solution, first of all curly bracket will start. Whatever variable is given, that variable you write y is given y, such that sign you will put. Then this inequality you will put minus 2 is less than equal to y is less than 4, comma, x, y belongs to real number, not x, y belongs to real number. So like this you can make set builder form in case of real numbers. So students, this was the topic. This is very easy topic. If you try to understand this video carefully, then you will understand what I explained, and you will be able to solve all the question of exercise 4th A. So for today it is enough. Thank you and have a good day.